In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Connect on Upwork. If you're new to the platform, Connects are the credits you use to submit proposals for jobs. Running low can slow your momentum, so let's walk through a clean, reliable way to top them up. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and click the official Upwork result. This keeps things simple and helps you avoid any lookalike sites. Once you're on Upwork, navigate to the area where you see the Buy Connects option on the right side of the page. You'll typically find it in the Find Work section. Interface layouts can shift from time to time, but you're looking for a button or link labeled Buy Connects on that right-hand panel. On the Purchase page, select how many Connects you want to buy. You'll see the price and the total update as you change the amount, so you can quickly match your budget and needs. If you're just getting started, consider buying a modest amount first and then scaling up as you submit more proposals. If you have a promo code, look for the field that says promo code and enter it there. Apply it to verify the discount appears in your order summary. Make sure the savings show before you continue. When you're ready, click Buy Connects to move to checkout. Here you can add your billing method. Upwork allows common options like PayPal or a credit or debit card. Choose the one you prefer. For cards, ensure the name and billing address match your bank records to avoid declines. For PayPal, you'll be prompted to log in and confirm the payment through your PayPal account. Complete the required details carefully, then review your order summary. Double-check the quantity of connects, the total price, any taxes or fees, and your selected currency. Confirm that a promo code is still applied if you used one. When everything looks correct, click the final Buy Connects button to place the order. Depending on your bank or card settings, you may see a quick security verification screen. Just follow the prompt. After a successful payment, you should see a confirmation message, and your Connects balance will update shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check your balance at the top of the Find Work area. A quick tip before we wrap up. Buy only what you expect to use soon, keep a small reserve for high-priority proposals, and stick with one default payment method to speed up future checkouts. That's it. You're ready to keep sending strong proposals without running out of Connects.